Welcome to part 2 of designing a user profile mobile screen. In previous video, in video number 1, we did some research and designed our main layout. In this video, in video part 2, we are going to turn our low fidelity wireframe into high fidelity wireframe. So if you are interested, stay with me to design it together. Hi guys, my name is Amir Asadi and I'm a product designer. In this channel, we talk about user experience of digital products, such as mobile apps and websites. So if you are a fan of this kind of videos, hit the subscribe button and be around. I can use ViewSex icons to find my icons. By pressing Ctrl, I select all of them and I press Ctrl G to group them. I want this frame to go right and this text field stay at the left. So I select this main frame and go to these advanced layout settings, spacing mode to space between, and also center. I do this for all of them. I select this frame that included icon and text field, copy it and then select these layers. I want to replace it with all of these layers. When I selected all of these layers, I press Ctrl Shift R to replace that layer there. I want to add some new icons because I want to replace with these chevrons to match with their labels. Select these icons and Ctrl Shift R. copy that icon and then Ctrl+Shift+R to replace with this icon. If I want to turn off the grid, I just should press Shift-G. And if I want grids back, again I press Shift-G. Now I just want some icons to replace with these circles for navigation bar. Okay, we are done with this navigation, but I want to make this profile section selected. So I need to change its visual. Now we should go and design our presentation shot. Select all of them, Ctrl+G, and a little rotation. Select one of these in the middle one, duplicate it. Change its color to black maybe. Name it to shadow. Go to effects. Layer blur. Change its color to blue, but a darker one. I don't like these filled circles. Just linear ones is okay. Hey, good job. Our job is done in this part of video. Thanks for being with me and watch this video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you enjoyed that, please like this video. Have fun and goodbye.